Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's make this edit using the Canva app. Step 1, we're going to open video in Canva. Then we're going to select elements and search for a square. After finding the square, we're going to turn it into black. After turning it into black, we're going to adjust it to fit the frame. So now we're going to select the text option and add the text of our choice. After you finish adding the text, we're going to search for the font Anton. Now we're going to adjust the text to fit the shape that was added. The next step is to save the image as a PNG. So select download, then click where it says video, select PNG and download it. We are now going to drag the image from the download section on our computer and drop it in Canva. After completing that step, we're going to delete what was on the frame. Now we're going to select element and choose a video of our choice. Upon completion of that, we're now going to adjust the video that was uploaded to fit the background. After doing that, we're going to select where it says 37.8 seconds. We're going to crop it to the size of the video that we want. Upon completion of that step, we're going to select upload and then select the image that was downloaded. Then select edit photo, remove background, and adjust the image to fit the frame. Now that we've completed that step, we're going to duplicate the page. When we duplicate the page, we're going to select the second page and then we're going to zoom it in. When we zoom it in, we're going to select the image that was added and add it to a corner. Then drag it. We're going to drag it until we can see the image that's on the back through one of the letters. Right here, I'm adjusting it and checking to see if I can see through it, but I'm not seeing it, so I'm going to drag it more. You cannot drag it too big or it's not going to download. Alright, so now I'm satisfied with what I see, so I'm going to work with it that way. Now I'm going to zoom out. After zooming out, I'm going to add a transition, match and move. And there you have it, a beautiful design in Canva. Thank you for watching.